Good morning. Today is Friday. Alright, we're back home. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's our new welding cart for our new welding tank. There you go, see? It's from Eastwood Mig 90 welder. And that goes here like that. That looks too small. Oh wow. It's already plugged in.
I think I have to open this because I believe the...
Yeah, you can open it.
It's
pretty fancy.
Let me open this side panel real quick and then see if it's there. It should be.
In the video. See.
I have his business card over there. So. I think that's fine like that. The Teflon tape, yeah.
Oh, no need a clamp, huh? Clampa.
Lampa. Oh shit.
Oh, this cuts.
Looks good.
$300 worth of machine. And haven't been used, you scratch it already. That's it. So we'll see first.
It goes through here. I love this van. It's so comfortable to drive.
Thank you.